Hi everyone, Gail here from Retail Resilient, and this is your social selling forecast for the week of January 16th through January 23rd. Okay, I have 3 or 4 items on the forecast today that I'm going to categorize for you. Number 1, interest rates. So whether you're buying a car or buying a home, interest rates are high right now. But car dealers are very retail resilient. So whether your inventory levels are high or low, or your interest rate levels are high or low, you are resilient. We always get through this. Every market gets through it, whether it's for homes, cars, or any big purchase. Number 2, what are people advertising this month? Well, a lot of dealers are matching tax refunds that are coming back to their customers. So the customer gets a refund of $1,000. They're saying we'll match you up to $1,000. That's one item. The other item is they're rolling over some of the savings and programs and incentives from December into January. So that can also be advertised. And number 3, the third thing that I'm going to talk about is Instagram. They are changing the bottom of their platform. It is going to change, not in terms of usage, but the look and the feel and everything in terms of the bottom screen and what you click on. So check that out on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys next week.